Hello everybody, my name is Nuno and welcome to Meeples and Mysteries. And today we are unboxing Through the Desert. A game from the Doctor, Reiner Knizia. And I forgot a knife again. And here we are. Yen Lee. Yeah, was always... This game really attracted me aesthetically. Before anything else. I guess this game was well talked about. And yeah, it's a Reiner Knizia game, so it would always create some buzz, right? Also Dice Tower. Always had this on the shelf, so I'm guessing because of All Play, their sponsor. So I should really be careful not to buy games because of sponsors. So Through the Desert. A game where you place out caravans, use camels to make routes to the oases, claim valuable watering holes and carve out territories in the desert. Watch out for other caravans. You know, the desert doesn't seem like the place to fight, you know, it's really hot, so let's just chill. Also, I just got up, so let's chill. And yeah, of course, Tom Basil is here. The thing that's awesome about the desert is the ratio of rules to gameplay. A classic game. I'm really bad at making voices. And Raudo runs through things. It's brilliant, it was brilliant 20 years ago, it's brilliant now. Okay, so yeah, this is a... Not sure if it's a reteam, it's just, you know, modern edition. A really old game, I guess. Okay, the pieces are cool. The pieces are cool. I guess when the pieces are this shiny, they always look weird in the videos, but they're really cool up close. Really cool pieces. I'm expecting this to be a cool, quick, good two-player strategy game that you can bust out quick while still having a really nice table presence. It was really weird to see such a small box for a game that kind of seemed big. But yeah, I guess this is it. We have a hefty... This is folded like a ton. Okay, and we have some things here, and I have no idea why I have so many of these. Like everything has a bag, okay, because of these bags. I guess these bags, yeah. Oh, we got a lot more cardboard here. Nice, 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 okay. I do guess a really deluxe edition with buildings instead of cardboard would be really nice. I'm always thinking of deluxe editions now, you know, Game Found ruined my life. And I haven't even gotten a single game. Yeah, I'll play, we see these all the time on the Dice Tower. I finally see it here. It's... This is cool. This is a cool solution for anybody who doesn't have a gaming table. This just basically makes you a gaming table for really cheap. Oh, they make tables too. And shelves. Oh, I guess it's the shelves they have on the Dice Tower. Yeah, they're cool shelves. And they're really thin, so more space for games. Yeah, anyway, this doesn't matter. Through the Desert. So it's folded 4 times only? Doesn't look like 4 times. Looks like a lot bigger. Okay, and depending on the number of players, you don't use the whole map. Okay. I really didn't inform myself, or I did and I don't remember about this game. I just knew that most people were recommending it. It looked beautiful, so I don't remember how much it costs, but I don't think it was that much. So objective, control 5 caravans of different colors and lead them through the Sahara Desert to find water and claim territory. Cleverly place camels to extend each of your 5 caravans and block opponents. Score points for visiting watering holes and oases. You score points for visiting stuff you're imagining, enclosing areas and having the largest caravans. So it's related to size and to circling things. Yes, this should be fun. Probably not doing a playthrough of this since it needs more players, but who knows. Maybe I'll get my wife to participate in the playthroughs at some point. Okay, cardboard doesn't... We want to look at the map, right? Of course we want to look at the map. Ooh, the night side, yeah. I remember hearing about this, or maybe seeing this later, just before I bought the game, and I was like, oh, that's really nice. Why don't they always just show the night side? Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the right side. If you want it to look beautiful. Okay, it's a nice board. A lot of moving parts, so it's all kind of wobbly. It's a nice board. It's cool that they fit such a big board in there. The quality doesn't seem that big, but yeah, it's not like I'm going to take this to war. So this looks nice. And the other side. I think I need the other side of my table. So this does have some contrast. But yeah, I mean, I like this color, I like the darker map, but it does seem more samey than the other side. Or maybe it's just because I've just woke up, but it seems almost harder to see stuff. I'm just nitpicking, you know, the map is fine. Just rambling. Okay. So, pieces. I have no idea where this will go or how. Why? Okay, and then we have these here. Okay, something like this. Something like this. Okay. I have no idea how the hell this is played. But yeah, this looks cool. I guess I'm going to open this. I guess this is going to go something like this, like this. This looks cool. This looks cool. These are plastic. Yeah, this looks cool. This all looks really good, really nice. It's really pleasing aesthetically. I'll have to see when I play it. I'm going to probably play it soon. Seems like a really easy game to teach. Although I do have some games I have to get to in my list of two-player games. Specifically Race for the Galaxy and Small World. 2 games that I've only really played once the last year, and I really do have to play more. They're almost new to me, even though I've been them for a long time. Yeah, maybe I won't be able to resist, and I'll play this today. Let's see. I'm excited for this one, even though you haven't really... I don't think I ever got the rules or understood how the game is played, and if I did, I certainly forgot it already. Okay. So now we're just going to organize, so the box really doesn't have anything. You just throw the stuff in there. Although it does seem to have a lot of space, more than enough. Maybe this is a game that should go on the shelf there, since it does really seem to fit well. These are my wives. She always plays red. You know, it's the color of anger, the color of wrath, color of blood. Yeah, you don't want to mess with her. That's why I normally lose, you know. I just want to keep the peace. It's not because I'm worse or anything at playing games. That's obviously not the reason. The reason I'm just such a good person, you know, I always look at the bigger picture. I kind of just want to have fun. I'm joking, of course. Let's just take a look at these guys. Since we haven't really... Okay, they are here. I guess these are how they are. They don't leave. I guess so. If they left, they'd just be separated, I'm guessing, so I'm not going to force them. It's cool that they mix colors. I have no idea the relationship it has with the rules, if there's any. Well, let's see. Let's see. So how many players we have here? These are really not nice for colorblind people. This all looks really like the same. But it's cool that they chose some colors that we are not used to. Although yeah, if they pick the blue, we'd have a problem here. But I don't know, maybe black, white, something a little more contrasty. Although the colors do look good, and I appreciate they are not like the standard colors, which are a bit boring, but I'm kind of daltonic, so under the correct light, these will just look the same. And yeah, I'm probably gonna get confused when we play a game with these. I doubt that will be a problem. I rarely will be playing games with 5 players. 5. Anyway, let's not make this unboxing bigger than it needs to be. They really brought a lot of bags. Yeah, I still need to bag those. So let's move along, move along, move along. So, are these tokens different for the night and the day side? I thought the night and day side was just you know, a different look, like a different skin, which is cool. That again, you know, we'll spend some money just giving you an extra skin, but maybe not. Maybe there's actual gameplay difference. Or maybe not. Maybe there's no gameplay difference and it's just colors to match each side. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I could just be spilling total crap to you guys, so don't take my word for any of it. Maybe I should start, you know, learning games before I unbox them. Just so I kind of am informative. But I'm not sure you were watching this for information. I'm actually not sure why you're watching this. Actually, probably no one is watching this. And I also still learning what I'll bring to the table. Bring to the table. The cardboard, it's a nice punch out. Normally you kind of feel like it's grabbing and tearing from the main board, and that's not happening. That's nice. The other day I missed a ton. Not missing anything today. Okay, so all good here. All good here. This is all trash. All trash. All play. All trash. Now we go. Oh, I should have done this. So how many bags do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jesus. Should I separate all of this? Doesn't seem that important to separate. It's not like that big game, but why not? We're still gonna to have some bags left in the end. These are good bags, you know. Bag quality. Yeah, these are really nice. It's not like Code Names where you just they go bust the first time you open them. So what am I doing? I'm putting 2 and 3s here. Is that it? Oh. Okay, so this is just aesthetics. Okay, yeah, I didn't look at the other side. Didn't notice. And they are the same side. Okay, 2, 3, but the 3 here. Okay, so there's differences. There's differences. And 2, 2. So there's differences. Watering points. Decide. Choose 5 oases. Mountain or riverside. Okay, river and mountain. Okay. Okay. So. So I guess it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really seem to matter, so the same size stuff will go like this. Seems to be kind of random. And yeah, they change values for either side, because the map is probably different, just not the skin, like I was saying. So forget all the bullshit I've been saying. I'm just going to separate them by shape. By shape. Okay, they have letters, okay. They have letters. School, and they have images right away, but this rulebook looks nice. Yeah, I didn't really explore this. Yeah, this rulebook looks really nice. I mean, yeah, this is so little. It really looks awesome. Like it looks like you can learn this game and read this in less than 10 minutes. That's really nice. Yeah, I'll probably learn this today. Just seems like so. Seems really low effort. It's really nice. Sometimes we are really lazy. I think board gamers, even though they are not lazy, we do take a lot of work with our hobby. You need to read a lot, understand a lot, you know, read with attention, not just read. But at the same time, sometimes we are lazy, especially with bigger games. We're always like, oh my god, it's gonna be such a work. So games then never make it to the table. But you're just being lazy. When you do bring them to the table, it actually never seems as much work as you initially thought. Maybe there's a conversation for one day, talking about when the games that you don't play because they are too heavy, they are actually not that heavy. And the longer you don't play them, the heavier they seem. Okay, I don't think I need to separate these guys. They are just so few, and so it all goes together, and together. Together. And that's it. And I've won a lot of bags. I really like when there's extra bags, so I can keep them for other games where there's no bags. So I don't need this because there's no insert to rise. Okay. The map does look fragile. I mean, I wouldn't mind having maybe a bigger box. Could even be slimmer and just having an insert and having a map that folds less times. You know, just would be a bit more even on the table, less staring spaces. But this looks good. I have no idea. They don't even have an editor here. Where is this game from? Who does this game? Spiral Games. And I'll play. Strategy line. I guess they might have something. Maybe their games are in this box, I have no idea. There's some collections where people do get all the games, and it's cool to have all the same sizes for the box, but most times I'll just prefer that, yeah, all board games just mostly stick to the same size. Or maybe not, even the books. The books look cool not sticking to the same size, right? So, let's close everything. Yeah, I prefer when they have holes, so the air comes out. Actually, there wasn't a single humidity bag in here. I recently learned to keep the humidity bags. Oh my god, this box is going to make it... It's not going... This box is really not big enough. Yeah, this is really... Yeah, they cut it pretty close. I don't like really... especially these trees, I don't like the idea. And they have no holes, so that means... Okay, this has holes, it's the only one. So I kind of have to do this. Okay, these also have holes. Yeah, these are the ones that don't have holes. And I'm probably wasting a lot of air in here. Okay, I had already done this one, right? I had already done this one, okay. I'm just getting rid of the oxygen. Just to make sure everything is going to fit in here and nothing's going to get... Okay. These are the big ones, so they should just go on their place. This one should go in there. It should go in there. I'm making this look way harder than it is, I'm sure. I'm just making things look harder since 88. Since 88, 8. Although these bags with good zippers, they tend to be hard to fold. I'm just going to have these go like these. I could just... Okay. Where would this go? I think I'm all out of space. I'm all out of space. Maybe that's okay for now. So guys, thanks for watching another boring unboxing video, and see you next.